Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the chapter Life of People in the Northern Plains. It is our fifth chapter. First of all, we will take the recapitulation of the previous chapter, that is chapter 4, the Northern Plains. Students, in this chapter, uh, we read about the northern plains. In this we read about the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and part of Assam that lies in the northern plains. And after that we read about the basins of northern plains, and the basins are just like the Punjab plain. And in Punjab plain we read about the western part of the northern plains is referred to as the Punjab plains. Major part of the plains lies in Pakistan, Punjab basin or Punjab plain in Pakistan. In India, the state of Punjab or Haryana lies in this plain. Which plain? The Punjab plain. They are drained by the river Satluj. The Bhagda Nangal Dam built on river Satluj and is one of the largest dam of India. After that, we read about the Ganga basin, and it extends between Ghaggar and Tista rivers. It is drained by the river Yamuna, Ganga, Ghaggar, Gandak, Kosi and Tista from the Himalayas in the north. And the river Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier. The rivers Bhagirathi, Mandakini and Alaknanda joins the Ganga while it flows down the mountains. After that we read about the Ganga is the most important river of India. It is considered as a sacred river. Lakhs of pilgrims visit Haridwar to take a dip in the holy river Ganga. Then we read about Ganga, that the Ganga splits into two main branches, Hooghly and the Padma. Hooghly flows through the city of Kolkata. The river Padma flows through Bangladesh and joins Jamuna, the largest branch of river Brahmaputra. After that we read about the Sundarbans. The soil of Ganga basin is very rich and fertile. This region means related to Sundarban also get a lot of rainfall. People in this plains are mainly engaged in agriculture. Since the Ganga basin produce a large quantity of food crops like rice, wheat, sugar cane and jute. It is also called the food bowl of India. It is also called the food bowl of India. So the Ganga basin is thickly populated part of India. After that we read about the Brahmaputra basin. Brahmaputra basin lies in Assam. The main river of this basin is Brahmaputra. It originates in Tibet where it called Sangpo. Here T will be silent. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. It flows through Assam and enter Bangladesh and fall into Bay of Bengal After that we read about the Brahmaputra basin get the highest rainfall in the world. The main crops of this region are rice and jute. Tea is grown on the hill slopes. Assam is famous for its tea. Then we read about the chemical waste. The chemical waste thrown by the industries set up on the banks of the river make our rivers polluted. They make the river water unfit for drinking and irrigation. The Ganga Action Plan was undertaken by the government to clean the river Ganga and to restore its purity. So students, we read this chapter now. Let's get started the fifth chapter. And the objective of this chapter is to know about the states in the northern plains, tourist place in the states of northern plains, and food, culture and occupation of the northern plains. So let's get started. The state lies in the north plains are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Now, first is Punjab. The Satluj Basin covers the state of Punjab and Haryana. The capital of both Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh. The capital of both Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh. It is very well planned city, which Chandigarh. And the occupation, the main occupation of the people is both the state means Haryana and Punjab. State is farming. Scientific methods and modern machines such as tractors, you can see here, harvesters, you can see here. So tractors and harvesters are used for farming. The land is very fertile, and with this modern machinery, the farmer gets a rich crop. A rich crop means the lots of production of crops. Main crops grown here are wheat, millet, gram, oilseeds, and various vegetables. Dairy farming is practiced on modern lines. Now, we will read about industries. The main industries of Punjab are textile, hosiery, sewing machines, cycles, and sports goods. Sport goods means related to the sports. Next, dresses. Women in Punjab wear salwar kameez and dupatta. Men wear kurta with pajama or lungi and pagdi. You can say the turban. Next, dance. Bhangra is a very lively dance and famous group dance of men in Punjab. And Gidda is the popular dance of women. Favorite food. You can see the Bhangra and Gidda dress here also. Favorite food. Makki ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi are the most favorite food item of the people of Punjab. You can see the image of this food here. Makki ki roti, sarson ka saag. Festivals. Lohri, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi and Diwali are the main festival of Punjab. So, the famous festival of Punjab are Lohri, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi and Diwali. Tourist places. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is the most important Gurudwara of Sikh. Jallianwala Bagh, Sheesh Mahal, Lakshmi Narayan Mandir are important places of tourist interest. You can see the images of these places. See, related Bhangra, then Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, Sheesh Mahal, Lakshmi Narayan Temple. So these are the tourist place of Punjab. Now Haryana. Haryana lies towards the south of Punjab in the Satluj Basin. It lies in Satluj Basin. Chandigarh, the capital of Punjab, is also the capital of Haryana. I have already discussed about it. Next is occupation. The main occupations of the people here are farming, dairy farming and cattle rearing. Farmers use modern machines like tractors, tube wells and water pumps. Main crops: wheat, maize, rice, pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds and cotton are the main food crops that grow here. Rivers Yamuna and Satluj provide water for irrigation. The West Yamuna Canal and the Bhakra Canal system are the main canals used for irrigation. Irrigation means cultivation. Next is industries. Gurugram and Faridabad are two most important industrial towns of Haryana. The Maruti Udyog, the biggest car factory in India. So, which is the biggest car factory in India? The Maruti Udyog, and it is in Gurugram. Other important industries are information technology, textile, tractors, tires, sugar, paper, and glass. Next is dress. The traditional dress of women is ghagra, kurta, and odhni. The traditional dresses of man is kurta with pajama or dhoti and turban. Language. Haryanvi language and Hindi are the main languages spoken in Haryana. Again, Haryanvi and Hindi are the main languages spoken in Haryana. So students, these are the information about this chapter. Now the rest of the part we will do in the next video. So you will write down the 10 question answer of one word. Short, you can say the short question answer of one word. You will write down in your notebook with beautiful handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.